so we're going to do a capital and lowercase f. So begin by holding your marker or your pencil correctly, which means both fingers are pinching it, and the other fingers are resting beside you, beside the marker there. So capital F is similar to a capital E, where you're going to start at the skyline and make a straight line down to the grass line. Pick your marker up, and you're only going to do 2 lines this time. The first one goes across the top, and the second one goes along the dotted line there. So there's a capital F. Lowercase f starts under this top line or the skyline, and you're going to kind of do like a curve. So you hook it up, touch the skyline, bring it around, straight down to the grass line, and cross it at the plane line.